Okay, here's first start attempt. I've added oil. Coolant is mostly in. Still need to work on bleeding that out. Power steering is all done. I think everything is reassembled and back together. So let's see how it goes. Bring the thunder. Oh, buddy. First start. All right, let's go have a look at what we've got here. Clutch out into neutral. See what we got for shaking on this front end. Oh, just zero shake of any kind. Rock solid. That makes me happy. Then let's see here. Not shaking at all. Feels pretty good. All right. That's an initial start, very successful.